I've been here in the late 2000s when Maharishi was still alive, and now the campus is completely transformed, and that's another reason why I came here. And now there's also all this new construction, like this amazing academy building, where you have all these nice rooms, and even with kitchens on each floor, and with a lecture hall at the bottom, and all in the same building on the top floor, meditation hall. Yes, it's very comfortable. It feels really good. The highlight of my experience so far is really the bliss and happiness that's suddenly starting to emerge from deep within. You know, that kind of happiness that comes without any reason. You have the opportunity to speak and have fun with other people at the same time. You know, it amplifies that inner bliss even more. So very much conducive to growth, you know, to purify one's own nervous system, and to grow in one's happiness, and to gain more rest, and also all the energy that's suddenly freed up. You know, when stresses and strains are moved from the nervous system, we have naturally more energy and just more happiness. So it's a really good place to be. The value provided here is unbelievably high, because you get so much. You get great accommodation in a completely new building, which feels very luxurious. You get really great food, you know, very healthy food that's good for you. You get good rest, you get a good proper routine, and you will benefit so much from 5 days or from 7 days or 2 weeks, however long you come. And a lot of that higher level of energy and rest you will carry on even after the assembly here. When you come back to your day-to-day life, that bliss will stay with you, and that restfulness will stay with you for a long time.